Good morning, Navodaya. I am Naim Singh, Officer of Indian Revenue Service, Customs and Central Excise. I am from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Borei, 1996 pass out batch. We were third batch from our school. After completing my schooling, I did Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication from NIT Raipur. And during the course of mid-career training program, I got a chance to complete Masters Management Development Program from prestigious Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. My hobbies are playing football and reading magazines. I have written two books. One is UPSC CSAT for the preparation of CSAT Paper 2, and another one is Reasoning and Aptitude. I am very thankful to Principal of Navodaya who has given me a chance to speak out about Navodaya life and about life in civil services. Thank you very much. About Navodaya life, actually I did my schooling, primary schooling from a small village, Janjgiri. My father was a forest officer, and during his tenure of 37 years, he used to get transfer within every 2 to 3 years, and he served in more than 10 to 15 places. And the population of forest village where he served was around, say, sometimes we find 50 to 100, even less than 50 also. In such an environment, it was difficult for my father to provide me good education, where Navodaya helped me a lot. I got selected in the Navodaya in the year 1989, and from there the change in my life started. Navodaya provided me an excellent platform. It gives me immense confidence. In the year 1989, this was a transition period. I was a village boy, from a Hindi medium student to an English medium, from Chhattisgarh or MP board or local board to Central Board of Secondary Education, and there is hostel life, a co-education. So Navodaya provided all these four very important ingredients in my life. It gives me immense confidence. During our primary education or say schooling, we were mainly focused on studies. But in Navodaya, we were not just focused on studies, but also in co-curricular activities like sports, games, social useful productive work, arts, cultural and science exhibitions, music, dance, dramatics, etc. So Navodaya provided me a confidence, it instilled a confidence in me that I can do substance or something different in my life. I would like to recall our famous teachers like MP Yadav sir, who taught us maths. Then we have good English teachers, we have economics teachers, we have excellent Hindi teachers, and we have a very jolly and very fond principal, Dr. V.P. Paliwal. Under his guidance, we excelled a lot. We were from the third batch of Borei, and we can say we were from the first science batch of Borei, who passed out in the year 1996. After passing out, it was difficult for us because guidance were not easily available at that time. I would like to recollect the contribution of our maths teacher, Sri MP Yadav sir. He taught us, and he strengthened our foundation to the extent that even in civil services, I took maths as one of the optional. And then we have Hindi madam, Sapna madam, then we have economics teacher, then we have for physical fitness and sports teacher, PT sir, Sri N.K. Palgaria sir, and we have teachers in science and social science. The basics of science and social science were so strong in us that in civil services, I initially opted public administration, and later on I opted public administration and geography as two of the optionals. The contribution of these teachers can never be forgotten. After joining civil services in the year 2008, I have traveled from length and breadth of the country. I have uh, traveled to more than 25 to 30 Navodayas. We have traveled even to Kulu Navodaya, to Leh Navodaya. During my election observers duty, I have traveled to Jamshedpur, where I went to two Navodayas, one in East Singhbum district Navodaya and one in Sijulata. And in recent past, during my 2018 election duty in Karnataka, I traveled to two Navodayas. Wherever we went, in general, teachers were very helpful. They were very friendly. They act as friend, philosopher, and guide. Whether they belong to our Navodaya, or they belong to our district, or they belong to our state or not. Same is the case with alumni fraternity. Whether they are from your school or from your district or from your state, but a fondness, a warmth, a helping nature is always present in every Navodian. I have seen in later days that alumni network is going very strong. So these are the contributions of Navodaya in my life, and I'm also very happy to inform you that my better half Preeti Sahu is also an alumni of same school where I studied, and my brother Raman Sahu is also a Navodian. He passed out from Mana Navodaya, district Raipur. We have fond memories of Navodaya and Navodaya life. I have spent 7 precious years in Navodaya from 1989 to 1996. We were involved in various co-curricular activities like sports and games. I used to play football, badminton, cricket, and then we had classes of music, dance, dramatics. We were also given chance to excel in social useful productive work. We call it SUPW. So Navodaya not just provided us educational background or excellence in educational background, but also nurtured our talents in various walks of life. We have seen alumni of our school who have excelled not just in academics but also in various walks of life. We have seen so many doctors, engineers, civil servants, lawyers, CAs, musicians, and various other sports personalities from Navodaya. Our success is dedicated to our Navodaya teachers, from whom we have learned all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Last but not least, I would like to say one thing about Navodaya, that is, Navodaya is a home away from home. Thank you, Navodaya. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, all my friends, for making our life such a memorable and joyful ride. Thank you.